How to fix Halo Infinite stuttering issue on Windows. To fix Halo Infinite stuttering issue on Windows, try 1. Check the minimum system requirement and upgrade existing hardware if possible. 2. Update your graphic driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Change video settings. Set resolution scale down to 90. Set minimum frame rate and maximum frame rate. Enable BSYNC. Set texture filtering to ultra. And for AMD graphics card players only, disable async compute. 4. Play Halo Infinite in Windows Clean Boot. Check background processes, start up items, services, and /or programs. 5. For NVIDIA display card users, change the resolution from 4K to 1440p.